Now this is the crossroad junctions controlled by the lane marking.
Okay.
We have got a double white lines front of us.
Mm-hmm.
Remember we spoke about double white lines on your first lesson and maybe on the second lesson as well. What does double white line means?
To give way.
Give way. So we are give way. Give way to traffic coming from where? So we are going ahead, straight ahead though, yeah?
Yeah.
So who do we give way to?
We give way to traffic like going this way?
Both
Both
directions.
ways. Okay.
Because what did I say to you? Every road have got
danger.
two lanes, lane A and the lane B. If you're going over there, you're crossing lane A and lane B. Let me explain to you the easiest way. Like I explained to you about the filter light. This is, I can't explain to you the easier than that. I want you to imagine for 1 minute, this is a zebra crossing.
Okay.
And when you're crossing the road, do you just look the one side or you look on the both
you check
sides?
Both sides.
Same thing again over here. So if you're going straight, you need to look on the
Both
sides because you're crossing over their lane. If you are turning left, for example, on this crossroad junction, then you could argue to look your right. However, what if the road you're turning into, that blue car parked on the other side of the road, that means the oncoming traffic will be using our road. So you still need to check on the both sides. If you are turning right, again, you have to look at both sides, but you have to look ahead as well, because if that car is coming who wants to go there and you also want to go to the right, who have got a priority? Do you go first or do you allow that person to go first? Huh?
So you are going straight.
No, so let's say you're going right.
I'm going right now.
And that person is coming who is going his left. So who's going there as well? Would you go first or that person go first? Who have got a priority? What do you think?
I have the priority.
No.
Oh no, he has the priority because
he's turning from his road to his near side road.
Oh, so he's going left and I'm going there.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
that's true.
you're going right. He's going to his left.
Yeah, I get it.
Yes, if you are turning left and that person wants to go his right, you go for first. That's how it works. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Always remember, same thing again as everything else. You look your right, left, and ahead as well. Like for example, you have got a white car parked over there. If you are here and you look, nobody's coming, but you got so many cars are coming. Yes, you can go forward and stop before the white car, but the white car a bit more closer, you hold yourself over there. Any problem, do it. Now the next thing which is very important, open or closed view junction. This crossroad junction, is it an open view or the closed view junction? What do you think?
I think it's open. I can see.
You can see. So if you can see, tell me who's coming from the right. Can you tell me please?
Well, I'm not standing the right way, am I? I'll have to go.
That's not how it works. So it is a closed view. So if it's a closed view, be a selfish driver. Go there, stop, do your LADA. LADA means look, assess, decide, and then act. It might take 1 or 2 seconds, but do it. Yesterday we were doing the mini roundabout, closed view. What we're doing, we're stopping, we were doing LADA.
Yeah.
Same. Any closed like he did. Do you see how he stopped over there?
Yeah.
Look on the both side and then he went. Do that. Open view, when you're here, you should be able to see who's coming. Then both sides. Not just right. Look at that. You got so many cars, you don't know who's coming from the left as well. It's a closed view though. Shall we do it? So let's drive off when you're ready and do the stopping and do your LADA there for me as well though, yeah? It's just a grass. It's okay. Signal. And blind spot check. And now you can go forward. So we're following the roads ahead, please. So lean your body towards the steering. So you can see from the right. Can you? What about the left? So you need to creep your car forward a little bit. So you have to stop and now creep your car forward a little bit. Both side, looking on the both side though. And stop again and do your larger. Anyone coming? If nobody's coming, then you can keep going very quickly down. There you go. Make sense?
Yeah.
Look at your wish. That's it. And what's coming up again?
It's another giveaway.
Crossroad Junction.
Yeah.
Open a close view.
Close. Is it not close?
It is a closed view, yes. Well done for that. So same thing again. Excellent work. Well done. Make sense?
Yeah.